Okay, I have now powering Xbox Series X here. When you plug it in and push the power button, no sign of nothing. So let's test this out. Remove the power. Okay, so remove this sticker. And open this portion because underneath of it there's a screw. Remove these two the screws. Okay, pop this open. It's a bit dusty. I'm gonna clean it up first.
A few moments later.
Out. Remove these 3 screws. Anyway, the size of the bit is T9. And disconnect the fan connector. Slide this out and remove this screw. And we need to open this bottom. There's a little tab. Pull the tab, pry the tab, and turn this counterclockwise, and it'll pop out. And remove 1, 2, 3, 4 screws, not this. And this plastic thingy will pop out. And disconnect this 2 cable for the DVD. Okay, here we go. And disconnect this flex cable. The white one, you can just open the latch here. It'll pop open. Okay, it's open now. You can just pull. It's taped, so gently pull this out. Remove this out of the way. And this one, there's a little tab underneath of the cable. You can just push the silver tab. Push and pull, and it's free, so it can come out and remove all the screws here. Remove the Wi-Fi card. Pull. keep removing the screws. And you can simply test it, this power unit, with the multimeter. Open this up, remove this tab, and disconnect this cable. Disconnect this cable. Disconnect this as well, and plug the power. Plug the power and check 12 volt from here to here. Any port is okay. Left, right. Voltage, and check the voltage. So we got 0 volt, means the PSU is dead. So some other YouTube video tells you how to fix this, but I'm not going to. It's only like 50 bucks. So time is money. So this is definitely, this is faulty. So turn it off. Take this out. Disconnect the power again. And remove the rubber band. And remove the leftover screws. And it'll come out. And get a new one. A new power supply. And just reverse the steps. Plug the power in, close the latch. And cover the shield. A little little stiff, but it's okay. Just push it down. And close this cover. Okay, so all the screws are in. Good. At this moment, I want to test it first. So I'm gonna put this back in here. And just connect this cable only. This is a power cable. Okay. Then plug the power and test it if it turns on or not. There we go. Very nice. I want to see the picture as well. Plug in the HDMI cable. There we go. It works. So turn this off. Remove the plugs. Bring this back to station. And remove the machine again. Disconnect the power cable. And don't forget the Wi-Fi card. Don't forget the rubber band. Little curved side first. Slide in. Match the slot. Don't forget this middle tab. Match the hole. hook this up, and we're almost done. Okay, plug the cables in position, close the latch, the white one, and the power button you can just push in, it'll click. Okay, plug the DVD, power and data, and close this shield this way. One screw here and 4 screws on the bottom. And close this bottom cover. There's a little mark. This mark matches here. This is the latch for this tab, so match this. And just, if it's flat, just spin this in clockwise, it'll click, and drop this fan into the position, plug the fan cable, and place the screws back. And close the cover. We're done. Super easy, isn't it? Okay, put the stickers back into the position, and we're done. Thank you for watching.